wig is from Donmily, all right, and it comes with a cap and a head wrap. And this is my wig. You get a full frontal, and when I say a full frontal, you get a whole frontal unit on your wig. It's not tapered off or anything. It's a frontal, okay? Because a lot of you guys get confused when I say that. So this is the hairline, and you get 3 combs, adjustable straps, and the hairline is pre-plucked. All right, so I am just gonna go ahead and we're gonna bleach these knots because they did not come bleached. And I like my knots bleached because I like them to blend a little bit better, for them to look a little bit more seamless. So I am going to use quick blue bleach with 30 volume developer. I usually leave mine on about 15-20 minutes. That'll do the job, but make sure you watch your knots and see how well they are bleaching, because sometimes they might bleach a little bit faster and sometimes they might bleach a little bit slower. So you want to make sure you are watching it, okay? So after you bleach it, you want to go ahead and wash the bleach off. I used purple shampoo to wash my wig and to tone the knots. And the purple shampoo I use is Vanilla No Yellow. You guys know that's one of my faves. And after that, I did go in and condition it with silicone mix. That is also my fave. All right, so I did decide that I wanted some waves. So I took my wand and I did basically loose waves, okay? And I did this all throughout the wig. And I already customized the hairline off camera. I didn't have to pluck the hairline. The hairline was pretty nice, but I did give myself baby hairs. I always give myself baby hairs because I love them so much, okay? So I'm being very messy with the curls. They don't have to be super neat because you are going to comb them out anyway. And so like I'm just going to go in and just wand my hair. I did get this wand from Burlington Coat Factory. This is a BB wand. Y'all remember the brand BB? This is a wand from their brand. I don't know if this is on Amazon. If it is, I will link it down below. If I could find a wand that is this exact size and everything, then I will link that one, that alternate one, down below as well. Okay, so we wanded that thing. I literally hate wanding hair. It takes the longest, okay? So I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to comb these curls or waves gently. You don't want to overcomb them because you don't want to completely comb them out, but you want to comb them so they can form together a little bit, if that makes sense. And so that's what I'm basically doing, just combing them, trying to get them to go in a pattern together. And once you feel like, okay, it's cute like this, then you know you got the job done. All right, so this is like more like beachy, effortless looking type curls. All right, so I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 and I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to tint my lace. Now I've been liking to use this to tint my lace instead of the actual lace spray tint because sometimes I find that the spray tint could go a little bit brassy on you, or orangey. Yeah, brassy. And I really don't care for that. And I know that this is going to be my natural skin tone color until I wash it out. And if you get your color on, you can easily wash it out or use alcohol to remove it. All right. So I'm going to take my Boho Liquid Gold, my favorite product to use. And I'm going to put a nice thin layer on my wig cap and a little bit on my edges. Now this is edge safe. All right. You can use this on your edges. This is not adhesive like the sticky adhesive. It's not like this. It's more of a serum. You guys hear me talk about this a lot because I really love this product, and I need Boho to sponsor me because I love their product so much. Hey, now speak that thing into existence. But but anyway, I buy all my Boho products, just a little FYI. So you want to go from section to section, all right? And I'm going to do the front first, and then I'm going to work on the sides. I'll put some Boho Liquid Gold on the top of my head, and I'll spread it out on a thin layer. You can build your layers up. I don't necessarily have to because I don't keep my wigs on for too long. So I'll put my layer on, spread it out real thin. You do not want thick layers because of the fact that this is a runny, liquidy texture, and it can seep through your lace. So you want to definitely be careful with that. And then you want to blow dry it on warm. After I blow dry it on warm and it feels like it's stuck in place, I will go and use cool air so I can see which areas are still wet, and then I'll go back and warm to make sure it's blow dried all the way down. And I'll do that for my entire hairline. Make sure you do section to section because, like I said, this is a runny texture. This is not a super sticky texture like lace glue, so you will not get that hold. You need to do section to section. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace, and then I'm gonna just, mow my baby hairs down. A lot of you guys like to use like gels and mousse to mold your baby hairs down. I don't, because I don't want to run no risk of my lace lifting, and I've never been successful with using using mousse while it's on my, like when my wig is adhered to my face or my hair, and it doesn't lift. So like I like to use spritz, and spritz has been very good to me when it comes to laying down my baby hairs, and I love it. All right, so after my wig is down and my baby hairs is molded, I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray and spray my hairline just to make sure we get this melting action going. And I'm gonna take my elastic band, let it sit until it's dry, and that is about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Donmily, for sending me this wig to review and demo. I love this hair. This was so cute on me, and it was just so effortless. Look at that hairline. That thing looked nice. You feel me? All right. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the description, in the comment section, and I will be back with another video. Bye, best friends.